Guys, here we are, and today I'm going to unbox the new HP Core i5, and it's kind of 10th generation. That's a Core i5 with a 1035G1 processor. It has an 256 GB SSD and 16 GB Optane memory and 8 GB DDR4. So now, no wasting time, let's just unbox it. It's like a new product from HP. It is so now just let's unbox it. So it is a laptop. So here we are, and this is the laptop. It's pretty much solid stuff. And the accessories are like charger. This is the accessory and charger, and this is the laptop. Here is the new HP 10th generation. It's not a metal body, it's a plastic one, and plastic seems perfect. And it has three these ports. And these are the ports. Sorry, this is only SD card. Here's the front one. Let's open it. This is the machine. This QR Core i5 10th generation. It says provides a with a performance. So guys, thank you so much for viewing the new HP i5 generation. It cost me around 85,000 PKR in. So thank you guys. Do subscribe my channel also, and thanks a lot.